Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see most different and very interesting topic, that is top 5 most torturous death penalties followed in ancient period. It will be more interesting, so don't skip in between. Before that, subscribe to my channel so that you can watch my upcoming videos. Okay, let's get into the topic. The top 1 place goes to flaying. That is removing of skin from the body while the person is still alive. This is the method of slow and most painful execution. In some cases, person dipped in boiling water for peeling off the skin in easy manner. They used to start from head as this area would more cause pain to the person still being unconscious. This mainly practiced by Chinese and several medieval European peoples. What a sadistic punishment, right? Okay, the top second place goes to death by sawing. The name itself explaining everything. In this method, cutting a living person in half either mid-sagitally or transversely. This method of execution reportedly used in different parts of the world as well as most frequently in medieval Europe. OMG, imagine the pain. Such a horrible one, right? Okay, now let's see top third one, that is impalement. It is the method where the penetration of human will occur by a sharp object such as stake, pole, spear or hooks. It is often by the complete or partial making of hole inside the body until the center part of the body will affect. When a person commit crime against the state, this has been given. Also, this used during the times of war to punish traitors. In this, the person may take from hours to some days to die. Now we are in top 4. From my point of view, it is quite torturous one, that is the rat torture. In this method, a man is tied on the table, then a metal cage without a bottom is placed on the victim's abdomen. Then they keep hungry rats into the metal cage and pours hot coal over the cage. As soon as the cage started heating, rats start to rush around, and compared to bite the metal cage, victim's abdomen is a more easy way. So rats start dig the holes into the belly and tearing through intestines. Just imagine guys, even small insect bites cause a lot of pain. Then what about this rat digging in our stomach? My god, such a worst death for those victims. Okay, now we are in last and top 5th one, the execution by molten gold. In this method, molten lead or gold will pour down into the throat. They concluded it is a pretty sure way to die. It will rupture the organs, burn the lungs and also choke them. It's probably the steam that pulls to the death. Oh, I can feel the pain while telling this. In South America, on 1599, native Indians of the Jivaro tribe captured a Spanish governor and executed him by this method. Also, this method practiced by Romans for execution purpose. Okay guys, we came to the end of my video. I hope it's interesting and comment me which one seems more horrible to you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to me. Bye bye, see you.